The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System represents a significant advancement in military technology, transforming traditional unguided rockets into precision-guided munitions. This innovation enhances the accuracy, effectiveness, and operational flexibility of existing rocket systems. In this video, we delve into the key aspects and strategic implications of the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System. Introduction to the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System is a groundbreaking technology that revolutionizes traditional rocket systems by transforming unguided 2.75-inch, 70mm rockets into highly accurate, laser-guided munitions. Developed by BAE Systems, the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System addresses the need for a cost-effective precision strike capability that enhances the effectiveness of existing rocket arsenals. This modular guidance kit leverages semi-active laser guidance to ensure pinpoint accuracy, reducing collateral damage and increasing mission success rates. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System compatibility with a wide range of platforms, including rotary wing and fixed-wing aircraft as well as ground-based launchers, makes it a versatile and invaluable asset in modern military operations. Development and history. The development of the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System began in the early 2000s, spearheaded by BAE Systems in response to the military's need for a low-cost precision strike capability that could be integrated with existing rocket systems. Initially conceptualized to enhance the accuracy of the widely used 2.75-inch, 70mm Hydra rockets, the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System project aimed to provide a versatile solution for both rotary wing and fixed-wing platforms. The system underwent extensive testing and refinement to ensure its reliability and effectiveness in various combat scenarios. Following successful trials, the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System was officially fielded in the mid-2010s, quickly becoming a valuable asset in the arsenals of the U.S. and allied military forces. Its ability to deliver precision-guided firepower at a fraction of the cost of new munitions has cemented its role as a key component in modern warfare. Key features of the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System boasts several key features that significantly enhance its performance and utility in combat operations. Central to its design is the semi-active laser guidance system, which allows for precise targeting by homing in on laser-designated points. This ensures high accuracy and effectiveness, reducing collateral damage and increasing mission success rates. The modular design of the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System enables it to be easily integrated with existing 2.75-inch, 70mm rocket systems and launch platforms, offering a cost-effective solution for upgrading unguided munitions. Additionally, the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System is compatible with a wide range of platforms, including helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, and ground vehicles, enhancing its operational versatility. These features make the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System a critical tool for modern military forces, providing precision strike capabilities while maintaining affordability and adaptability. Laser Guidance System. The Laser Guidance System is the cornerstone of the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, transforming traditional unguided rockets into precision-guided munitions. This semi-active laser guidance technology works by homing in on a laser-designated target, which can be marked by ground forces, aerial platforms, or other laser designators. Once the target is illuminated, the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System Guidance Kit activates its sensors to lock onto the laser spot, steering the rocket with pinpoint accuracy towards the target. This method ensures a high degree of precision, significantly increasing hit probability and reducing the risk of collateral damage. The laser guidance system's ability to adapt to various operational conditions, including moving targets and complex terrains, makes the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System an invaluable asset for close air support and precision strike missions. Modular design. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System features a modular design that greatly enhances its flexibility and ease of integration with existing military hardware. This design allows the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System Guidance Kit to be easily attached to standard 2.75-inch, 70mm unguided rockets, converting them into precision-guided munitions without the need for extensive modifications. The modularity of the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System ensures compatibility with a wide range of launch platforms, including rotary wing aircraft like the A-64 Apache, fixed-wing aircraft such as the A-10 Thunderbolt II, and various ground-based launchers. This adaptability enables military forces to upgrade their current rocket inventories cost-effectively, enhancing their operational capabilities without the need for entirely new systems. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System modular approach also simplifies maintenance and logistics, as existing rockets and launchers can be readily utilized, streamlining the deployment and operational readiness of precision-guided munitions. Cost-effectiveness. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System is a cost-effective solution that transforms existing 2.75-inch, 70mm unguided rockets into precision-guided munitions, eliminating the need for new, expensive weapon systems. Its modular design allows for seamless integration with current rocket inventories and launch platforms, significantly reducing the costs associated with upgrading military arsenals. By enhancing the accuracy of these rockets, the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System not only achieves mission objectives more efficiently, but also minimizes collateral damage, leading to further operational cost savings. This affordability makes the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System a valuable asset for modern military forces seeking to enhance their precision strike capabilities without excessive expenditure. Versatility across platforms. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System is designed for exceptional versatility, capable of being deployed across a wide range of platforms. This includes rotary wing aircraft like the A-64 Apache and UV-60 Black Hawk, fixed-wing aircraft such as the A-10 Thunderbolt TIE and AV-8B Harrier, and various ground-based launchers. Its modular design ensures seamless integration with existing launch systems, allowing for flexible operational deployment. This adaptability not only enhances the tactical capabilities of diverse military units, but also ensures that the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System can be effectively utilized in various combat scenarios, providing precision strike capabilities wherever they are needed. Enhance accuracy and precision. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System significantly enhances the accuracy and precision of traditional unguided rockets by converting them into laser-guided munitions. Using semi-active laser guidance, the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System homes in on laser-designated targets with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that each strike hits its intended mark. This high level of precision reduces the risk of collateral damage and increases the likelihood of mission success, particularly in complex and urban environments where accuracy is paramount. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System ability to deliver precise strikes transforms standard rockets into highly effective tools for modern combat. Integration with existing systems. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System is designed for seamless integration with existing military systems, enhancing its operational flexibility and ease of deployment. Its modular guidance kit can be attached to standard 2.75-inch, 70mm rockets and utilized with current launch platforms, including helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, and ground-based launchers. This compatibility ensures that military forces can upgrade their firepower without the need for extensive modifications or new infrastructure. By leveraging existing systems, the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System allows for rapid fielding and operational readiness, making it a cost-effective and efficient solution for enhancing precision strike capabilities. That's all for today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more future videos. What do you think about the impact of the Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System on modern warfare? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting content.